Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we're talking about how to make custom crosshair in Roblox. So firstly guys, in order to start making it, you need to download the Roblox Studio first. So go to this hub, then start creating, and let us download the application. And now of course let us log in. Okay, logging in. And now guys, you can either start a tour or we can just go to home. Let's go to home. Okay, then you just press on new experience and now we can start. Okay guys, so now in this Explorer, navigate to Starter UI, then press on the plus, then press on local script, and in here just type in this script over here. Alright, so I'm just going to copy it. So you can just remove this, insert, then next one. You just type in mouse icon, then like this, and then after this icon, which is equals, you just type in the ID of your decal. All right, so depending on which decal, which is going to be our crosshair, you wish to enable, you just basically insert it in here, and after that it's going to work. Okay, so for example, this is going to be the decal, it's just random numbers, and this is pretty much it guys. So you have the commands, we will also post them in the video description. Enjoy. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. See you soon.